Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maulana Iskandar bin Mazlan, and for this video I'll be showing the preparation of this installation. So first go to browser, search for Windows 10, Windows 10 download, pick the top one, top result. We scroll down and we can see the create Windows 10 installation media. Download tool now and it will be downloaded. Okay, click the download. Okay, gotta wait for a few minutes. Okay, so click accept. Okay, pick the create installation media. So we have two here. We have upgrade this PC now and create installation media. So we pick the create installation media. Next. Okay, next. Okay, so we pick the ISO file because we use the ISO, and we gonna make the file. Pick the file, save the file on the document that you can save. Okay, next. Gotta wait for a few minutes. Click finish and search for Windows 10 in your folder. Okay, and that's it.
Okay, next we move to step 2, which is install VirtualBox. First open Google and search VirtualBox download. Then click on the downloads Oracle VM VirtualBox. It will appear like this. Then under VirtualBox binaries, click on the VirtualBox 6.0 builds. Click on it and it will appear like this. Then under VirtualBox 6.0.24, which is have been released in July 14, 2020, click on the Windows host to download it for Windows user, OS X host for OS user, Solaris host for Solaris user, and Linux host for Linux user. But this we are using Windows, so click on the Windows host and just waiting for it to download it. After it have been downloaded, then click on it and it will a pop-up will appear. Then click next again. Just click on the next, and then the network interfaces warning, just click yes, then install. Then we just need the Oracle VM VirtualBox to be installed. They set up the VM VirtualBox disk in the computer. After that, we just click finish after the installation have done. Then it will appear like this after the install. This is the interface that will appear after we install the VirtualBox. Thank you.
Click the new button and rename your operating system. Then select the right version of the operating system, that is Windows 10 64-bit, and click next button. This is the recommended size to create a virtual machine, so there are nothing need to change, and only click the next button. Choose the hard disk file type, that is VDI, virtual disk image, and locate the storage on physical hard disk. Select a location to save this file and save. Then click the Windows 10 at the left side and click Start button and wait for it pour out. Find the data on the folder and click Start to start up the disk. This will show the interface of the Windows 10. So now you can set up your Windows 10 such as language, type and classic format, keyboard and input method, and click next and click install now. The setup is starting to proceed. Choose a Windows 10 home. There is a basic Windows 10 OS. So there is the license and terms. There is a type of installation of the Windows 10. This is a size apply for to install Windows 10. So now we need to wait to the Windows install. So next we will move to the setup for the Windows 10, that is, you need to choose the region of your latest address. So as you can see, we are now at Malaysia, so we need to find the Malaysia region and click yes. Now we choose the keyboard layout for the Windows 10. Then you need to add your account into the Windows 10. If you doesn't have the account, you can create. Enter the account password. After you finish set up the account, you need to create a pin for your Windows 10. This is the pop-up for set up our pin number. This is a privacy setting for Windows 10 and your device. You can change it or leave it on your own. This is a part where you can customize your device and choose your interested customers, or you can skip this process. You can backup your files using the OneDrive that is provided by Microsoft. We already finished the setup for the Windows 10, and now we wait for the interface of the Windows 10. This is the interface for the Windows 10 operating system.
So we move to how to change the background. Firstly, we choose right click and then personalize. Okay, then we search for themes and we view the related setting, the desktop icon setting, and then we click the user files and network. Okay, then we close and we personalize. Then we choose the picture that we want. We want to change as the background. If you want to browse, you browse for the picture that they want. If you want to choose the picture that okay, then we choose that picture. Oh, the picture is so beautiful, the background. Okay, then we move to the how to install the device driver. Okay, this is the background that we want. Okay, how to install the device driver. Firstly we search device manager, then we choose the desktop. Okay, then we update the driver, choose browse personal computer, then click next. Then it show the audio endpoint at the top. Then we close. So this is how to perform the disk partition. Open this PC. Then we manage. So the disk management under the storage hardware. So it shown the volume. So click at the delete volume and yes. Then we wait for the response. Then the right click and then new simple volume, and then we click next. Then there is maximum disk space, minimum disk space, simple volume size. So we click next. Then that is completing the new symbol of hazard. Then the new volume is done. So this is the how to perform the disk partition. So we close, then open the file explorer. Under this PC we choose properties. Then this is the setting layout. Then click on the advanced VPN option. Advanced system. So at the setting, there is performance option. So click on advanced, then change. So unclick the automatically manage paging file size for all drive. There is a new volume, a couple of new volume under system manage. Then for the custom size we choose 1000, and the maximum size we choose 2000. So save and click OK. So click OK. Next step we click and apply and OK. So type on the search the user, tap add edit, then we choose add, click on the add on under the Microsoft icon. Then it show the Microsoft how will this person sign in. Then we click next. Okay, to create account we must okay, see, this is the how to create the user for this PC. So who's going this PC is we wrote our name at the user, then we put the password to re-enter the password for reconfirmation. In case you forget your password, then we choose the question that we want. The example is Adam, the childhood nickname, and then the security question 2, we choose our parent, that the name of the city where your parent meet. For example is KLIA. Then what is the name of the other cousin is Adam. For that is the security question number 3. So we click next. Okay, so we click on the control panel. We click on the user account. We choose the our account we need to manage. This we choose under the manage account to change an account. Then click on the administration, change account. Then close.
So here I will continue for the next step. So I will create a new folder in the main lobby. I will create a new folder, then I will rename it as a sharing folder. Okay. Okay, on the folder I will right click on the folder, then we go to give access to the section. Okay, this is the option to choose the people to share with in the folder, within the folder. So here I will select a new user. Then I will click share. Then after that I will close the tab. So here I will click yes. So I will click a yes, then I will have to wait. It will take some time, then the folder of sharing has been created. So I will move the folder below the application. So here I will right click, then you go to properties of the file to check either the file is working or not. So go to the sharing. So here you can see the sharing folder. You can share with a new user. So after that I will move to this folder under the application. So for the next step I will click to the bar, then we go to the task manager. So in the task manager I will click on the more details. To see about the task manager details. Okay. In the task manager you can see the processes, performance, app history, startup, user details, and also services that in the computer. So we will close the task manager, then after that we go to the we go to the computer, which means this PC. Okay. After we have done it, then we click on the icon, then we go to the properties of the computer. Then I want to find advanced system. I will put the advanced system keyword in the section box. Then I will okay, here. Okay, so I want to we go to the computer name, which I will change the name of this computer. Okay, I will change it to the Adam PC. The reason I want to change the name because when you start or open the computer, then the name will be pop up in on the interface. So here, as you can see, I will add a underscore. Then we will click OK. Then we will OK. But we have to restart our computer. But I will restart it later. You just have to click OK, and then you go to the close. But we have to restart later. I will restart later the computer because I want to show you how to install the OS in the laptop. So here, for the next step, I will um, I forgot. So we go to the box section. Then we search the system. We click on the icon. Then we search we have to search here. I want to search some settings in the system information to install the OS, to complete the installation of the OS. So here, okay, after that, close it then is how to share. So here, right click on the select share, then select copy link and copy. So as you can see, like I did, this is from the cloud that are in the computer. So here as you can see, we have to copy the link from the cloud, then we copy the link, we close, and go to this PC icon on your desktop. So double click on the icon using your mouse, then on the PC section, we have to paste the link that we copied earlier, then press enter to find the uh, the thing that we copy before. So after we copy, the file will be appear after we enter. Then here, how to create a group account. So here you go to the section, then you type the thing, click on group folder on the left, then double click the group you want to add user to in the list of group. So here you click the add to group, add the button. So here you click the administrator, then select add here. Okay, you select OK. Then alternatively you can click the user folder on the left, double click on the user account on the right, and switch to the member of tab, and click add button to select group you want to add the user account to. Here, as you can see that I did. Okay, close. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.